Hi traders, greetings. So today is 2nd of September 2020. We are now live day trading and also as well chat review for most of indexes and as well for energy sector, futures, WTI crude oil and as well natural gas. For today, we have a return. I think not in terms of the percentage compared to yesterday because we earn as well about 500 and today also about 500 as well, 560 plus. And the return in percentage for today is about 27.74, I think about that. And we have a most major fit is from Dow Jones as well, and also for the Nasdaq. So one moment have a very both has a profit. So let's take a look. While for mini S&P, we did manage to short sell the market. So we did manage to short sell the market buy stop the market for mini S&P at 35.44, and this one is a quick one because the market seems very bullish. Bearish movement for Nasdaq, but there's a good bullish for S&P. So we'll take a look later at the chart and we will have the chart review. So this is how we took our trade. So I will explain later in a chat much more better. But this one is from live Telegram channel, and as well for this one crude oil, we also managed to secure a good profit. We are shorting the market, so based from this live signal, we are shorting market at 42.81 and with TP at 42.65 with the extension of TP at 42.58. So it's about 18 to 19 ticks of profit. Okay, it was a good one. This is where we did enter during the US session at the beginning of US session, and it's a good scalp. And it didn't took more than 20 minutes. It's a clean trade with a very less floating negative. Okay, let's go back to our platform. Have a good profit of 569. This is the total profit for today, scalping, and as well from the Dow Jones is the major contributor. I'm trading the mini account and as well the micro account. So 27.54% is the total return for today. Can compare about yesterday. Yesterday was a good one with 50%, and I'm still not yet withdraw my account. So I'm supposed to withdraw it yesterday as I promised in the previous video, but I just went to sleep after the trading hours. And so for today, maybe we will withdraw some for the salary. So this is how I do the trading. And this account start with 350 US dollar a few weeks ago. So I grow it by using my own indicator. So I'm trading most of the indexes. All right, so we take a look first on the Dow Jones. This is most of my trade for today and mostly every day because Dow Jones have less risk. Although the market move a lot, if you are trading the mini account, the 1 point consider the profit should be around $5. So this is equal to micro mini S&P. 1 point or 1 tick, 1 point equal to $1. 1 point equal to $5, and for Dow Jones as well the same. But for Dow Jones, the movement is much more bigger, so that means we can earn more while trading the mini Dow Jones. Or if you want to feel safe, trade the micro account, but increase the position maybe to 5 or it's about half the mini account. So it's a good risk management as well. Okay, so we did manage to have a good profit today. So we go long. I'm going long during the Asia session or US night time, somewhere here. Above side, I think I was in the lower time frame for the entry, and then short a bit on the market, and then another bull during the US session. So most of the direction I took, I managed to take it based from my so-called indicator over here. So if you are going to scalp in the smaller time frame, so time frame 10 minutes or 5 minutes should be a good enough. So as for the recent entry, let's take a look. I think I was in 10 minutes time frame, but I should earn more today, more than 500. I think it should be around 1000, because most of my trade is correct, but I exit my position with profit too early. Okay, so as you can see, this is where I short the market pre-US session. So this is from Dow Jones market, sell signal from Dow Jones market at the during the London session to short the market, but I didn't take everything until the view outline. This yellow line is the view outline. So I just took out my position somewhere here, over here, because I saw a pullback, a green candle, this one. So based from this candle, so a bit to be safe, I put a trailing stop. Then it hit the trailing stop, so I didn't take everything on the profit, but it's a good profit for me actually. Okay, so for US session, we have a good strong bullish candle at the opening of the Chicago time, and based from this one, we have to buy one tick higher based from this live signal indicator. Okay, this is indicator you can attach as well to your trading view. So I did manage to scalp a bit. Actually, it's not a bit, it's about 70 points. All right, 70 points, the price movement. So if you're trading the mini account, with one lot position size, you already earn 350. But for me, I do trade with the micro account, bought for micro lots, or 3 micro lots, so should be enough to earn around 100 plus. So I will scalp over and over again, the same thing every day. So it just because sometimes with the mini account you feel a bit nervous and you tend to for US session. But the most biggest move for today is from the Nasdaq 100. So let's take a look first on the Nasdaq. I'm not sure what actually happened, but at the opening of the market, the price dropped almost like almost 200 points. We can see a similar pattern between Nasdaq and Dow Jones for today. So this is time frame 30 minutes analysis. So as well, I have a short sell signal. I was there during the opening. I saw that the market are supposed to be short or one ticks lower, but I didn't expect it will move faster, because I'm expecting for it to go a bit, then make a pullback and then further down. But unfortunately, the market just go directly downwards. So this signal was a good one. I just wait for it to have a pullback and hoping for to enter in the smaller time frame. But for now, you can see there's 200 points of price movement to the downside. So this is based from my profit as well. I earn a bit during the London session as well, in this scalp on the bullish side, based from this signal. So this is almost identical for both Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. So as you can see also, my profit for let's take a look on the purchase and sell. Okay, while waiting, we go for the next one, the mini S&P. So for mini S&P, I'm sending out the live signal from my live Telegram channel. Just check the link below in the description. So this is where we did enter the market nicely, and the market just fly away with the 7 points. So easily we can get around for mini account 734 350 US dollar for one contract size. Okay, so this is from my indicator, as well as shows that we are supposed to go for a long position, and I didn't trade any of the mini S&P for today, because most of my position already held by the Dow Jones and also Nasdaq. So because I always expect mini S&P will have a small move compared to Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So that's why I prefer to trade on Dow Jones and this Nasdaq. Okay, so for mini S&P, we did receive 9:50 a.m. New York time to go long on this position. So based from the signal, we are supposed to buy one tick higher than this candle, and then we have a good solid about 7 to 8 points of price movement. Okay, it's quite easy. Once the signal will alarm you, will alert you, you can put the alarm over here, set an alarm, and this is how this indicator works. So for me, it works fine. And also it's a short sell signal as well during the London session while entering the US session. Then there's a reversal of the bullish price movement. So although the candle is quite big, but the trend is very strong for the mini S&P to go for bullish. It's quite opposite direction if you are comparing with Nasdaq 100. So I've mentioned this one in my live Telegram channel. This is the same signal from the indicator. If you prefer to trade with the indicator, you can just contact me. So you can have this indicator on your trading view, and you can chart. You can trade during the US session, Asia session, and as well London session. As for this Telegram channel, you will earn for one signal per day during for the US session. So far we have a good return, and this one hit TP. Also hit TP yesterday, 2 days ago hit TP. Last week I believe as well hit TP. So we have a good track record so far with the crude oil. Sorry, with the mini S&P if compared to the crude oil, because crude oil this week I think we already have one loss. Okay, compared to mini S&P, already quite a good running profitable trade. All right, so there's a pullback over here. I'm not entering the market again. I'm done for today because of the large market movement. So I'm expecting, because of the large market movement, I'm expecting for the market to be exhausted or to go for a sideways move till the end of the day, and that's it. And I'm expecting as well the volume will become more lower in the next few hours. But for now, it was a good. Okay, it was a good profit. So the profit distribution, okay, internet connection. So let's go back to the chart. So if you are going, if you are trading at the lower time frame, scalping, this is time frame 10 minutes for mini S&P. Okay, so for Nasdaq, there's very hard to justify the price move very quite a lot on the bearish side, and it looks like the market is oversold. It looks like it, but we cannot determine if the market is oversold or overbought. Okay, here we go. Let's wait. So for Nasdaq, for Dow Jones, 10 minutes as well. I've explained same thing. The market price move again, going bullish, and then a reversal towards this VWAP line. So it's quite typical market movement for indexes. But the thing is, let's take a look if our account is ready. Not yet, because I want to show you the profit distribution, how I did manage to have a good profit of 569 for today. Like yesterday is I think 500, a bit more of the 500. So both day already provide me a good profit of 1000. So you can refer to my video on the 1st of September 2020. So in that video I'll show you as well about my profit and how I distribute the profit area. Okay, a bit slow, but I think my internet is slow because I'm streaming live for this YouTube. Let's wait for a while and waiting. Okay, here we go. One moment, let the data update. So we are trading a mini Nasdaq 100. One lot position size brings the value of $2, and micro mini Dow Jones, which is about 50 cents. If you are still a learner or a new trader or beginner. Oh, why my PNL is not showing up? Supposed to be 200. Okay, something's not right, I believe. Still. Okay, maybe because of the internet connection. Okay, never mind. But for me, we have trade 28 position size for the micro Dow Jones. So which is quite a lot of number of the trading. Shit. Okay, here we go. So 20. Damn, man. Okay, we wait until the picture come back. One moment. So let's take a look on the chart. Much more interesting. Okay, the price already reached the view up area for Dow Jones. So this is a quick reversal. So I'm still thinking whether the market will go for another bullish. So the market already bullish since yesterday. Quite a strong price movement. By the way, this is time frame 10 minutes. So for Asia session and London session, as I mentioned, the indicator will not work well during the Asia session or London session unless you turn to the higher time frame, which is will cut more noise on that period of time. For US session, so I would prefer to suggest to trade at a lower time frame because market is more volatile. There's a more volume in and out each price level. Okay, our platform come back again, so it's very low internet. Okay, so I've used two lot position size for the mini Dow. So one point equal to $5, which I mentioned just now. So 145. So I'm trading two different time. So during Asia session and as well London session, I didn't hold much, even though the market moved more than I expected. But profit is profit. I end up my trade today with the green. So for mini Dow, I'm scalping quite a lot number of position, which is about 28 position size. And for the micro mini Nasdaq, we have earned around $2 for 1 point. So I have used 7 position size for this micro mini Nasdaq. It was a good trade. So technically, we can earn more than 700 today, like 1,000. But based from the current, we did manage to earn for 500. Still a good trade for me as a day trader. Alright guys, I think that's all for today. So feel free to subscribe this channel, like, share and comment if you have any question. And my indicator is available if you are trading with the trading view. You can just attach with me, then I grant the access for a monthly subscription. Alright guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.